Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by signing into YouTube on desktop because the interface exposes the badge tools. Once signed in, click your avatar and open YouTube Studio to access channel settings. You want to confirm your channel name and profile are complete. This matters because badge eligibility ties to verification and membership settings. Make sure to enable two-factor if prompted. It speeds verification. From here, you'll move to the customization and community sections to locate subscriber and loyalty badge controls. Now navigate to monetization or customization and then to memberships or badges. Different accounts show badges in slightly different places. You'll inspect each badge tier where you can upload or replace icons. This is where the how matters because each tier accepts specific sizes and formats. Once done, preview how badges display beside usernames in chat and comments so you confirm visual clarity. If you have channel verification, badges may unlock extra options. Make sure to review upload guidelines for best results. Finish by uploading your final badge files into each membership tier and saving changes. Publish when ready so YouTube processes them. Then test in a private stream or by viewing chat on your channel to confirm they display correctly next to members' names. If badges don't appear, clear your browser cache and sign out and back in. Make sure memberships are active and that your files meet size and format rules. If problems persist, re-export images with correct dimensions and re-upload, then retest.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.